Storm. Some ValetPRO products have unusual names, but can you tell which of these ValetPRO products are real and which ones we've made up?
Well, with having an unusual name, I reckon I've got this covered.
Smooth. Right, Purple Passion.
I would say that is a real product.
What makes you say that?
Because it's in the brochure.
Right, correct.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
How did you know?
Because it's in the brochure.
Oh.
Purple Passion. Use with passion.
Where do you use it?
In your passionate parts.
Yeah. Next up, we've got Black to the Future.
Black to the Future. See, they've got other products such as Mad Wax and stuff like that. So there is other kind of things. So I would say that this is a real one.
Correct. What do you reckon it's used for?
Back to black. I reckon it brings revived stuff.
It's a tyre dressing.
It's a tyre dressing. So yeah, back to black. Yeah, it makes stuff shiny again in black.
Strong name. Oh, you'll like this one coming up.
Black to the Future. Best get to 88 mile an hour, aren't we?
This is a bit of you, this one, Storm.
Bit of me.
But you struggle with it, I think, from what I've heard.
All right.
The stiff one.
The stiff one. I have been known to struggle. And if that is a real product, get me some now. So I'm going to say that is a real product in the hope that it is.
This is not a valid.
Oh.
Sorry, Storm, you're going to have to go back to the Viagra.
Oh.
Not yet, but it will be.
Oh, it says it. Yeah, this is not. I can't give you a product, it's not true. It's not real yet.
But it will be. I'll keep struggling on for a little bit longer. It's coming soon.
Right, last but not least,
Pardon the pun.
we've got Beading Marvellous.
Beading Marvellous. I'd say this one's not a real one.
False.
Yeah.
This is a ValetPRO long-lasting wax used for protecting paintwork. It is real.
It is real.
And there you go.
ValetPRO never fails to amaze me. It's beading marvellous.
Marvellous. Marvellous.
Marvellous.